and welcome to Facts or Frauds. And we're heading back to the 23rd District Court in Taylor, Michigan for another squatter who hasn't paid rent in years. Whoop tab.
Good morning. I have someone in the courtroom that says whoop tab. Can you tell me your first and last name? I'm asking you to unmute. Can you unmute whoop tab?
My name's Marshall. That's not me, is it?
No, Marshall, I'm not talking to you. Just sit tight with me. I'm asking for a whoop tab. Whoop tab 8. All right. Whoop tab bus to 8 US 2. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, what's your name?
Jimmy.
What is it?
Oh, Jimmy Massey.
Mr. Massey, do you have a case number?
Yeah, my eyes are not good. 25011187 LT.
Okay, got it. And your first name is Jimmy, Jimmy?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what's your last name? Spell it for me.
Massey.
All right, sir. Let me change your name real quick. We've got the other party present here on your case, Marshall Truken. It's Jim, right? Jimmy Massey, Massey. All right, Mr. Massey, did you receive service to appear in court today with respect to this property?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Truken, now I'm talking to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Thank you.
All right. So Jimmy Massey's present. Sir, are you currently residing at that location on 9070 Street in the city of Taylor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And before you came in, Mr. Truken advised the court that this was previously his mother's house. She's deceased, and he has a deed to the property and is the proper owner of the property.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and he's asking for you to vacate that property, Mr. Massey.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Massey, what's the status now? What can you tell me? What's going on with you at this property?
I'm just waiting on the people that pay for back rent. I'm just.
But you don't have a rental agreement with Mr. Truken at all, do you?
No, there was never one ever made, ma'am.
Did you know Mr. Truken?
Do I know him?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Truken, do you know Mr. Massey?
Only from going to the house and trying to collect rent. And as I don't know if I told you, but he's sending me fake emails for Jackie Smith from Gmail saying this lady is somebody fake saying so because believe it or not, my son's mother is like a Mother Teresa, and she actually helps people get Section 8. And I sent her the email to her, and she said there's no such thing, it's fake. He's talking about giving me an SER, and I try to have communication with that Gmail, and there's nobody even communicating me back. And then yesterday I just sent the fake email back. Say, yeah, Mr. Massey's a wonderful person, and I said I'm just joking. I said I'm not going to do anything. Then he texted me an email back saying, "Oh, I talked to the people yesterday, and they said you're a beautiful person for not going to rent. When I get my Social Security, I'm going to make sure you're taken care of." It's all an email. I can show it to you. And I just want him out of the process.
I don't need all this. This is what I'm trying to figure out. Mr. Massey, are you squatting at this house? I'm trying to figure out, how are you living there? When did you start living there, and why?
Back in, I think it was 2000 or 2000, the pandemic, the 2020.
Okay. How did you begin living there? Was someone else living there when you started living there?
No, Your Honor.
Or was the house vacant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and so you started living at a vacant house.
The Mr. Marshall's mother put an ad in the paper, and that's how I found it.
What was the ad for?
What was it for, ma'am?
What was the ad for?
It was a 2-bedroom house for rent for $850 a month, I think.
All right, and were you paying rent?
I did at the very beginning, yes, Your Honor.
In 2020? When's the last time you paid rent?
Whenever the last SER payment was made.
When was that?
I couldn't even tell you, to be honest with you, ma'am.
I mean, was it in 2020? Have you been living there for 4 years without paying rent?
No, Your Honor.
How long have you been living? I mean, you said you can't tell me. You've been in the house since 2020.
It's been about 1.5 years, 2 years since the last payment was made. The SAR payment.
So you've been living in a house with no lease for 2 years without paying any rent.
3 years.
All right. Well, Mr. Trugan says it's 3 years, 2 to 3 years with no rent. Is that correct?
If that's, yeah, around about.
Okay.
With that being said, can we just reduce it down to 5 days to get out today?
No, I mean, I know the law. I have to follow the law, sir.
I understand. I'm just being funny.
Okay. Well, let's get through this. So, Mr. Massey. Can both of you, Mr. Trugan, can you turn your camera on?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
All right. Hello, Mr. Massey, Mr. Trugan. Can you both raise your right hands?
Yes, ma'am.
You solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I have in the file a notice to quit, recover possession of the property, that was served on February 7th of 2025. So we have the 30-day notice that was submitted to the court. Okay. Mr. Trugan, do you own the property at the address of 9070 Street in the city of Taylor?
It's 8070. Yes.
Okay, we have it. 1 second. 8070. I'm sorry. I don't have my readers today. I'm doing my best, but thank you for correcting.
Unfortunately, I'm 58. I understand that too.
Okay. Did you rent that property to Mr. Massey?
No, I did not.
All right. And is it not your wish to have him to continue to live there?
Yeah, absolutely not. I have no desire to deal with him in any way whatsoever. As soon as possible to cut my ties. I have to pay taxes. The house needs a lot of work. I can see it just from the outside. I've asked to get in the inside numerous times through the year. I've told him no matter what, he's still responsible for rent. I said, I'm not suing him for money. I'm not doing that. Obviously, I just want him out. Like I said, there's nothing solid to stand on. And I'm really kind of, to say it mildly, I'm disgusted in the fake papers he wrote to the, I was very upset having the probate court call me.
But Mr. Trugan, I understand all of that, and I understand your frustration, okay? You're frustrated, but I just need to ask you these questions to do this proceeding, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you no longer want to rent to Mr. Massey?
No, ma'am, not at all.
And did you file the 30-day notice to quit that's here in the court file, dated February 7th of 25?
I did file that, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Massey, you rented from the prior owner of this property, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you do not own this property at 8070 West Point, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, look, there's nothing under the law that can allow you to stay in that property, Mr. Massey. You were given the proper notice and the true owner no longer wishes to do business with you. So you are now trespasser at that property and you have 10 days to vacate the property under Michigan law.
Okay.
That's my ruling, that's the law. And I follow it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we're all set. Mr. Trukin, you'll have to submit paperwork to the court, okay?
And
You can come out of the clerk's window. You can come into the clerk's.
Is the next step to the bailiff? I could go pay for that today to have him, to make sure he's takes care of it.
Come into the court, come into the clerk's window, go to the civil window, and the civil clerk will give you the paperwork, okay?
Awesome. Thank you. I wish you a great day, and thank you for everything you do, Your Honor.
All right, and good luck to both of you. We're all set.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right.
Oh. No, don't go away, because I got something really great to show you. Now, I know these videos are very good, but you can have too much of a good thing, and your mind can sort of OD on them. So really, they can be dangerous. And so, by way of a change, here's something you must not miss.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a major thank you to every one of our Facts or Frauds channel members. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe, or click on the link in the description. And if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you'd like to become a member, you can do that too. Till next time, I'll see you soon.